So I have used iOS 27 since developer beta 1 and we are now on beta 6. But there are some problems which are very annoying and hinder the day-to-day use of our iPhone. In this video, I'll tell you about 6 different problems. The third one is the worst in my frank opinion. And so far, I have not found a workaround or fix for such problems. I hope this gets fixed in the upcoming release of iOS 27 Beta 7. Photo library in some apps takes a lot of time to show up. So for example, I'll go to YT Studio and try to change thumbnail. Let's wait for it. And now it opened up the photo library. When I try to add a photo in ChatGPT, it bugs out completely. This bug was not present in the earlier betas, and it is kinda surprising to see it in the latest beta 6. Let's try this again, and as you can see, it bugs out every time. Only when I quickly tap on keyboard and then try to tap on photos option, then it shows up the photo library. But if you are in a hurry, then this can annoy you a lot. And so far I have not found a fix for this problem yet. This can only be fixed with the beta 7 update, but only if it fixes the photo library bug. This bug annoys me the most in the iOS 27 beta 6. The keyboard is very slow. Okay, this time it worked fine. And as you can see, it takes its own time and sometimes it does not respond. As you can see, it took a split second more to open up the keyboard. I like to use the clear or tinted icons a lot, but when I do so, there are jitters, especially in the recent apps menu, or when we open or close an app, there is noticeable jitter as well. You might not feel the jitters because I'm recording this in 4K 30 FPS. Also, using clear or tinted icons drains the battery life faster compared to the default icons. But in the default icons, the performance and jitteriness is completely fine. Basically no jitters with the default icons. Sometimes my Wi-Fi got disconnected out of nowhere, especially when my phone was facing down. Also, I experienced that the Wi-Fi was a bit slow, as if the latency was higher, even though the Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine. But there is one more thing which is more annoying, and that's the simple 4G network. In my room, I struggle to get good internet connection out of my 4G network. Let's disable the Wi-Fi and see how much internet speed we are getting. So I'll open a new tab and tap on fast.com. And as you can see, initially it is very slow, but it picks up the speed in a while. If you have 1 or 2 bars of network, then you would be very annoyed with the network performance or the internet speed performance. In this situation, only Wi-Fi can save you. Control center sometimes takes quite a time to close. When we tap on an empty space, it goes back slowly at times. For now, it is working perfectly fine. So, should you install iOS 27 beta? If the problems I mentioned do not annoy you, then yes, you can install iOS 27 beta release. But I would suggest you to wait for the beta 7 release. So if you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.